As of 2020, illustration has outgrown books and magazines to become an integral part of UI/UX design. Today, illustration is a creative medium used to identify and communicate the brand message and transmit ideas through the use of just one or several images. In this video, we'd like to explore the use of illustration in modern UI/UX design, and of course, give you an idea of how you could use it in your own projects. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Over the past few years, multiple illustration techniques have emerged. Vector illustration with flat colors and gradients, 3D illustrations with infinite varieties of styles from low-poly illustration to realism. We've seen brands like Airbnb, MailChimp, Dropbox employ illustrations to communicate emotions and their brand values. So when should you go for using illustrations in UI/UX design? Illustrations have the ability of making UI more informative. Words are not always enough when it comes to describing concepts. Illustrations have the power of making concepts more precise and compelling. This is why brands often employ illustrations to clarify ideas behind their marketing campaigns or to provide more brand-related information. Illustrations can better communicate the marketing copy. Using plain text without imagery is a bad choice for websites of any type. Lengthy marketing copy can make users overwhelmed. Illustrations can back up for the marketing copy and make it more engaging. Illustrations are meant to motivate users to take action. In some cases, illustrations can compel a user to perform the needed action, whether it's to complete a certain task, subscribe, or purchase goods and services. Illustrations have the power to convey the emotional aspects of UI/UX design. Illustrations convey emotions by making the users feel great because of using a specific service or product. For instance, animated illustrations showing up on the screen when users completed a task or achieved a goal can create a feeling that users achieved something significant. Illustrations are often employed as anxiety relief when a user has reached a frustrating point in their journey. You've certainly come across the 404 error pages supplied with fun text and illustrations. This trick sort of helps to gloss over the fact that the page is not there and make users stay longer by redirecting them to another page. Also, you've probably seen illustrations when it's the first time you're using an app. These are meant to translate the moment of anxiety into a moment of delight during the first-time product usage. Brands also use illustrations to communicate their brand message. Custom illustrations made for a brand can help it stand out from the competition. For instance, we often see how Google uses illustrations and animation to mark special events and occasions, or to commemorate prominent personalities on their search results pages. Using mascots is another way to make your product or service stand apart. The mascot gives life and character to a product. It helps users connect to a product and creates a memorable user experience. For example, one of the most recognizable mascots in the tech industry is Freddy the Friendly Chimp from MailChimp. It became the inseparable element of the product's identity. Have you used illustrations in your design projects? Share your experiences in the comments section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more web design inspiration videos and tutorials. See you in the next one!